Hi, my name is John Hewitt. I have 30 years of experience in technical communication, working for Intel, IBM, Motorola, and other industry leaders. For the past 4 years, I've been the content strategist for Quicken. Today, I wanted to help you understand technical writing to see if it may be the career for you. This is the first in a series of videos I'm doing to help people become technical writers. If you're wondering if technical writing is for you, this video will give you a good idea of the nature of the job. If you're anxious to find work as a technical writer, check out my video, Get Started as a Technical Writer in 30 Days. Technical writing is like a bridge, delivering information from a complex world such as software, engineering, science, or medicine to people who may or may not possess an extensive background in these areas, or at least in the specific information you're delivering. Technical writing has a critical mission: to translate and communicate complex information clearly, concisely, and understandably. Whether it's a software application help system, a troubleshooting guide for household appliances, or a detailed set of instructions for assembling a solar panel system, technical writing makes technical subjects accessible to the people who need to understand it. Usually, that's ordinary people, but sometimes it's a fellow industry professional or other specialized audience. Imagine you've just bought the latest, most sophisticated coffee machine on the market. It boasts all the features you could dream of, from espresso to cappuccino, all at the touch of a button. But here's the catch. The machine comes with an array of buttons, settings, and maintenance requirements that seem intimidating. This is where technical writing shines. The user manual, crafted by a technical writer, guides you through every step from setup to daily use, maintenance, and troubleshooting. It's written in easy-to-follow language, avoiding jargon whenever possible, or explaining it when necessary. The manual becomes your go-to resource, transforming a potentially frustrating experience into a positive one. Contrast this with creative writing, which transports readers to imaginary worlds, evokes emotion, and often plays with language. Technical writing doesn't get to do those things. It prioritizes clarity over originality and function over form. It's about getting straight to the point with precise and unambiguous language. This approach is essential because the goal is to eliminate any confusion for the reader. For example, while a creative writer might describe a process in a narrative style, full of metaphor and flourish, a technical writer would opt for a step-by-step description focusing on clarity and ease of understanding. Often they'll accompany that with graphics such as screenshots, diagrams, and flowcharts. They do whatever it takes to help their audience accomplish a task. The pillars of technical writing, clarity, accuracy, and conciseness, are essential. Clarity ensures the message is understood correctly, avoiding misinterpretation. Accuracy is critical because technical documents are reference materials that people rely on for correct information. Conciseness helps eliminate unnecessary information, making the document more accessible and easier to use. For instance, when documenting a software application's installation process, a technical writer must provide clear, accurate, and concise steps that guide the user without overwhelming them with too much background information or technical details that are unnecessary to the task. Technical writers serve a wide array of industries, each with its unique challenges and requirements. In the software industry, they create documentation that includes guides for end users, technical specifications for developers, system administration manuals for IT professionals, and help systems that often serve all three user types. These documents explain how the software works and how to use it effectively, often translating complex workflows into user-friendly instructions. In manufacturing, technical writers produce manuals that detail the assembly, operation, and maintenance of equipment and machinery. These documents must be exact because a misinterpreted instruction could damage the equipment or cause an injury. For example, a technical manual for assembling an industrial printer would include detailed diagrams, step-by-step assembly instructions, and safety precautions, all written in clear, concise language to ensure safe and correct assembly. The healthcare sector relies heavily on technical writing to create clear instructions for medical devices. These instructions must be meticulously accurate and easy to understand because they can directly impact patient safety. For instance, a user manual for a home blood glucose monitor must convey how to properly use the device, interpret the results, and troubleshoot common issues, all while ensuring the information is accessible to a layperson without medical training. I recently got a blood pressure cuff with zero instructions on how to use it. I still haven't figured the thing out. If I ever do, I should write a guide. Beyond mere writing ability, the role of a technical writer demands a skill set that includes an ability to conduct comprehensive research, translate technical jargon into plain language, and pay close attention to detail. This skill set ensures the production of high-quality documents that effectively serve the intended purpose. Consider the example of a technical writer tasked with documenting a new piece of software for a non-technical audience. The writer must first understand how the software works. You have to get to know the product, and you have to understand it without the documentation that you'll eventually provide. This often involves research and collaboration with software designers and developers. Because software is a worldwide effort these days, You may need to work with professionals who either speak English with difficulty or speak it in a dialect that isn't the same as yours or your intended audiences. You must then translate this technical information into clear, accessible language, organizing it into a logical structure that guides the reader through each software function. Along the way, your attention to detail ensures that no critical information is missed and the documentation is comprehensive and easy to navigate. The demand for skilled professionals in technical writing spans industries from technology and manufacturing to healthcare and beyond. This demand underscores the technical writer's crucial role in today's information-driven society. Technical writers provide and clarify technical knowledge and ensure that products and services are used effectively and safely, enhancing people's experience and contributing to the success of businesses and organizations across the globe. As we continue to progress technologically, the role of technical writing continues to grow. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of technological advancements, making them accessible, understandable, and usable for the broader audience. By mastering the art and science of technical writing, you can contribute to the spread of knowledge and also play a vital role in bridging the gap between innovation and application. This is the essence of technical writing, a field that harnesses the power of language to demystify the complex, illustrate the path to understanding, and pave the way for progress. This is the first in a series of videos I'm doing to help people become technical writers. It's a great career with good pay and many opportunities to learn new things. If that appeals to you, stay tuned for more videos.